Guys, and welcome to this video. So this video is going to be super exciting for me because I'm finally getting to put all my fall stuff out and decorate with you guys. So this morning I just kind of did a few things to kind of clean up. I changed our sheets and made our bed and had to move one really sleepy pup out of the way.
Time to get up, buddy. Mommy's gotta make the bed. I know. You're so comfy on the bed. Are we spoiled? How spoiled are we? You going back to sleep? We have dog beds for a reason, buddy. Oh, can't even keep my eyes open. That's how tired I am.
Then I needed to put on some makeup so I felt more like a human being. Then I moved all my fall decor from my beauty room studio where I filmed my fall haul, which if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the corner up here for you guys. I just vacuumed my whole carpeted area just so I could have a nice clean space, and I just like to do this at the start of the week because I feel like during the week it gets really dirty and just dog hair and stuff, so that's what I did. And then now I'm ready just to kind of tidy up and then start putting out my fall decor. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video and are excited to see how I decorate for fall, just keep watching. I'm really excited to do this with you guys. So I hope you enjoy. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more in-depth videos or a decorate my porch with me, decorate my bar cart for fall, stuff like that that I know are really popular on YouTube, I always like watching those videos. So go ahead and subscribe, but I'm going to be showing you guys voiceover clips and then regular clips of just me decorating and stuff, so you guys will see everything. So let's just go ahead and decorate. Okay, so this is the current situation. It's just all in here, kind of just all around, and I think I have some more stuff in the attic that I remember from last year, so I need to get up there and look. So yeah, I think we're gonna start with the kitchen first and just see what we can do with all this stuff, and I'll show you guys, of course, everything. And then we work our way out to the front so I can put the wreath and the mat out and stuff and see how that looks. So let's go ahead and start in the kitchen. Okay, so I have this vase I want to fill with flowers and probably stick on top of my cabinets to add some height to it. I have these cute little signs. I don't know where I want to put them yet. That I got from Target, and then my cute little fall dish towels. So let's see what we want to do with this. I think I want to have this one kind of displayed on my oven so you can kind of see this, and then this one kind of laid out on the counter. I think that's what we're going to go for. Let's see what it looks like. So I got this little rug at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale for $10. I think I got it with the 40% off coupon there. So I thought it was kind of cute to change up, and it really ties in with this black and white theme with a little pop of color. So I put that down, and then I also got these placemats at Home Goods, and it was a set of 4 for $9.99. So I thought that was a really good deal. And these are actually really thick, and I wanted some that had the plaid with the burlap, and the ones at Hobby Lobby I just didn't really like. But these are perfect, and they're really nice quality. So, and my husband actually picked these out. He liked these, so I was like, yeah, these would be really cute on my table. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these out. Okay, so here's the placemats set out, and I found this little mini wreath thing, and I thought it would be kind of cute to put in the middle of this Lazy Susan and then put my little pumpkin salt and pepper shakers in it. But I don't know, I might keep messing around with the centerpiece because I have another idea for that little wreath. And that's what I do when I decorate. I like to set it out one way and then think about it and then move it around and see which way I like best. So this is what we're working with so far.
just where it was needed. Gleamed in black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn, and when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will.
Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. It's been about like 3 hours. I took a break to eat some lunch, and and then I kept decorating a little bit because I'm just not sure on where I want to put all these signs that I bought. So I don't know. I did a few things, so I'm gonna show you guys, and then I might still end up move stuff around because, you know, I always like put it out and then decide I want it somewhere else later. Still have a few things I haven't decorated. I haven't done the front door yet, so we're about to go do that. There was like a guy that was just here knocking on my door, and I was like, I ain't answering it, so I'm gonna wait till I'm sure he's out of my neighborhood, because it kind of creeped me out. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, so let's go ahead and do the front porch. I don't have too much to put out there, but I have like my wreath and my doormat and stuff I want to move around, and then we'll just go from there. I did do a few more things to the cabinet, so I'm going to show you guys all that when I'm finished. But let's just go ahead and do the front door.
Eyes will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Okay, so all I have left is I need to get rid of this little springy floral arrangement right here, and put some candles out, and then as well as figure out what I want to do with these little Target pumpkins, because I wanted to put them and make a little arrangement in this, but I'm not sure, you know, what I want to do with it. I don't want to just do it just to do it. I want it to be something that I really like, because I love this little box. I think it looks so cute. And then the only other thing I have is this sign, which I love, and I don't know if I want to put it up over my cabinets or put it where that little Steven sign is right there, or over here, or over here. I really don't know. So yeah, that's literally all I have left to do.
I'm gonna go ahead and show you what my house looks like now with all my fall decor out, and before I do that, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna insert a little clip of my feed right here. I would appreciate it if you guys go and follow me and like my latest posts, and let's just go ahead and see what my house looks like now. hope you enjoyed seeing me put out some of my fall decor. All of it's probably not permanent. I'm probably going to move it around a little bit more and play around with it and see what I want to do. Especially with my dining room centerpiece, I really want to work on that and then maybe just move a few things around. But for the most part, that's what we're working with. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do that. And if you want to see me do a dedicated decorate my bar cart video, or like a more in-depth decorate my porch, because I'm definitely not done. I want to get like a plant stand and then a few real pumpkins when it gets closer to time. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more shop with me's, hauls, decorate with me's. I really am getting tired of just posting makeup videos, so I want to do more in the home stuff because that is genuinely what I love doing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!